Hello guys, let us solve few basic problems based on averages. First question is, the average of 8 numbers is 25. If one of the numbers 32 is replaced by 48, then what is the new average? Solution is, we are given average of 8 numbers is equal to 25. Therefore, sum of all 8 numbers is equal to 200. Now, 32 is replaced and 44 is added. Therefore, 260 is the new sum. Now, new average is equal to 216 divided by 8, which is equal to 27. Therefore, the correct answer is 27. Second problem is, the average age of 10 students is 16 years. If the teacher's age is also included, the average becomes 20 years. Then find the teacher's age. Solution is, we are given average age of 10 students is equal to 16. Therefore, sum of all ages of 10 students is equal to 160. Let the teacher's age be x. We know that new average is equal to 20. Therefore, new sum is equal to 220. Therefore, teacher's age is equal to 60. Therefore, the correct answer is 60. Third question is, the average of 10 numbers is 35. If one number is removed, the average of the remaining 9 numbers becomes 33. Find the removed number. We are given average of 10 numbers is equal to 35. Therefore, sum of all given 10 numbers is equal to 350. Now, average of 9 numbers is equal to 33. Therefore, sum of all given 9 numbers is equal to 297. Now, we removed 297 from 350. Then we get answer as 53. Therefore, the correct answer is 53. Fourth question is, the average marks of 15 students is 68. If the marks of one student were wrongly entered as 82 instead of 62, then what is the correct average? Solution is, we are given average marks of 15 students is equal to 68. Therefore, total marks of 15 students is equal to 1020. Now, 82 is wrongly entered instead of 62. Therefore, correct sum is equal to 1000. Therefore, correct average is equal to 1000 by 15, which is equal to 66.67. Therefore, the correct answer is 66.67. Question number 5 is, the average of 6 numbers is 35. If each number is increased by 4, what will be the new average? We are given average of 6 numbers is equal to 35. Therefore, total sum of all 6 numbers is equal to 210. Now, each number is increased by 4. Therefore, new total sum is equal to 210 plus 6 into 4 is equal to 234. Now, new average is equal to 234 divided by 6, which is equal to 39. Therefore, the correct answer is 39. Question number 6 is, the average weight of 12 students is 48 kg. If two students weighing 42 kg and 50 kg leave the group, what is the average weight of the remaining students? The solution is, we are given average weight of 12 students is equal to 48. Therefore, total sum of 12 students is equal to 48 into 12, which is equal to 576. Now, two students weighing 42 kg and 50 kg leave the group. Therefore, new total sum of 10 students is equal to 560 minus 42 plus 50, which is equal to 484. Now, total number of students after 42 kg and 50 kg leave the group is equal to 10. Therefore, new average is equal to 484 divided by 10, which is equal to 48.4. Therefore, the correct answer is 48.4. Question number 7 is, the average of 7 consecutive numbers is 50. Then, what is the largest number? The given solution is, given average of 7 consecutive numbers is equal to 50. Therefore, total sum of all 7 consecutive numbers is equal to 350. Let the smallest consecutive number be x. We know that the sum of all the consecutive numbers is equal to 350, which implies 7x plus 21 is equal to 350. We know that 7x is equal to 329. Therefore, x is equal to 47. Therefore, the largest consecutive number is 53. Therefore, the correct answer is 53. The question number 8 is the average weight of 3 persons is equal to 60 kg. If another person weighing 72 kg joins them, what is the new average weight? The solution is we are given average weight of 3 persons is equal to 60. Therefore, total sum of weight of 3 persons is equal to 180. Now, another person with weight 72 joins the group. Therefore, new sum is equal to 252, which implies new average is equal to 250 by 4, which is equal to 63. Therefore, the correct answer is 63. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.